What's up guys, it's your boy Rexy and welcome back to the channel guys. So today guys, I'm going to show you guys another step-by-step method you can use and start making some sales on Clickbank. So all you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step till the end, and if you take action on this method I'm going to share you guys today, you can start making some sales guys. So if I log into my Clickbank account, you're going to see that I'm making sales every day on Clickbank guys, and I'm making up to $1,000 plus per week on Clickbank. So I've been making good sales on Clickbank, and if you follow this exact method I'm going to be showing you guys today, you can start getting some results like this guys. So if you're watching the channel, you know that these are real results of making sales every day consistently on Clickbank guys. So what you're going to do is you're going to watch this video step by step, take action on this method, and you can start getting some results guys. So if you're new to the channel guys, be sure to subscribe to the channel to get notified anytime that I post new videos on how to make money online and Clickbank earning methods. So I make new videos that can help you guys to start making some extra money very fast online guys. And also guys, if you want to get my step-by-step training method I'm using to make sales like this every day consistently, be sure to click the first link in the description and you can get my step-by-step training method. I can show you guys step-by-step how you can go and start making some sales and start making some profits consistently every day on Clickbank guys. So that's it guys. So if you want to get my course as well for completely free, what you're going to do is you're going to subscribe to the channel, leave a like on this video, and also comment on the video, and you're going to have a chance to win my course for completely free. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick a random winner from the last video that's going to get my course for completely free. So we're going to go to random YouTube commenter and we're going to pick a random winner guys. So let's go to random YouTube commenter. We're going to copy the URL of the last video. So let's copy the URL of the last video. We're going to go to random YouTube commenter and we're going to paste the URL. We're going to pick a lucky winner guys. So let's pick a random winner. So let's click on start, and we're going to pick a random winner. And if you're the winner of this course, you're going to send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to leave my Instagram handle in the description. I can go and send me a message on Instagram. I'm going to send you the training for completely free guys. Okay guys, so what I've decided to do is that instead of showing you guys another strategy I can go and use and start making some sales with Clickbank, I decided to upload one of my videos that is going to show you guys step by step how you can go and make some extra money online, so that you can use this exact money and you can use it in buying, for example, ads, and start making some extra money consistently on Clickbank guys. Because you want to be making sales consistently every day, you want to be using advertisements guys. So this is one of my older videos. Is going to show you guys some extra methods I've been using to make some extra money before I started making a lot more money on Clickbank. So you can go and use this exact method and you can start making some extra money and use this money in advertisement guys. So this video is only about 5 months ago, and if you check my results in that video guys, you're going to see that I've not been making a lot of money. So I'm making, for example, $31 per week, but right now I'm making up to $2,000 to $4,000 plus per week guys. So you can make a lot of money on Clickbank if you have a proven step-by-step method you can use to make those sales very fast. So you're going to see my results, $31 per week, and sometimes I don't make any money per week, but right now I'm making up to $4,000 plus per week guys. So that video is going to show you guys some extra methods that you can use and start making some extra money, so you can use it on advertising and make a lot more money on Clickbank consistently. So be sure to watch the video step by step guys and take action on that method guys, and you can start making some extra money online and you can use it in advertising and you can scale up on Clickbank guys. So that's it guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. What's up guys, it's your boy Rexy, and today guys I'm going to show you guys some extra methods that you can use to start making money fast online. And the methods I'm going to show you guys that I've been using to make some extra money online is Fiverr guys. So I'm going to show you guys some extra methods that I'm using on Fiverr to make some sales, and how you can use this method as well to start making some sales. For example, this is my Pioneer account. So if I search for Fiverr on this account, you can see guys, so I'm making some extra money on the site from Fiverr, not only from Clickbank. So I'm going to show you guys some of the methods I've been using that you can start using today and start making some extra money that is going to help you to invest on paid traffic, invest on tools like ClickFunnels, and it's going to help you to grow your online business. So that's it guys, let's get right into the video guys. Okay guys, let's get right into the method. Let me show you guys some of these services that you can provide on Fiverr.com and start making some extra money. But first guys, let me show you guys some of my results from Clickbank. As you can see, I've been making some sales from Clickbank, and as you can see, I've been making sales consistently every week. So I'm making at least one sale every week from Clickbank. So guys, the first So the website we're going to be using, guys, is Fiverr. So we go to fiverr.com. That's the website that we're going to be using to provide some simple services, and I'm going to show you guys how you can provide these services easily and make some money with this. So guys, the first method I'm going to show you guys is background removal. So what you're going to do is that you're going to go to Fiverr and you're going to sign up for a free account. All you have to do is click on become a seller, and you're going to provide these services easily on Fiverr. So if I search for background removal on Fiverr, for example, you're going to see a lot of people that are providing this service, and I'm going to show you guys how you can easily provide this service and make some extra money on the side. So if you search for background removal service, you can see people that are providing this service. You can see a lot of people are providing this simple service on Fiverr. You can see this guy has up to 215 reviews. This person has up to 222, and you can see, guys, this is an easy method I can use to make money fast online. So with this service, guys, all you have to do is go to Fiverr and sign up for a free account, and you are going to create a simple gig for background removal. So let me show you guys the website. So this is a simple website that you're going to use to provide this simple service for background removal. So if you go to this website, remove.bg, it's going to help you to remove the background of images easily, guys. So let me show you an example. So you want to go to remove the BG, and all you have to do is upload the image that you want the background to be removed. So let me select an image. For example, let me select this image, open. It's going to upload the image, and it's going to remove the background of the image. So the background of the image has already been removed, guys. So you can see this is the original image, and this is the background, and this is the image with the background removed. And all you have to do is click on download, guys. So you can take less than 10 seconds to do this, and all you have to do is create a simple gig on Fiverr, and you're going to be making money with this. And this website is absolutely free, so you don't need any investment to get started with this method. So let me show you guys the second method, guys. So the second method I can use is transcription services. So for example, let me go to Fiverr and search for transcription. So transcription, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily transcribe jobs very easily. So you can see, guys, transcription services on Fiverr for $5. This person has up to 1,000 plus reviews on transcription on Fiverr, and you can see a lot of people that are providing this same service on Fiverr. And I'm going to show you guys a simple method I can use to do these transcription jobs very easily. So once you create this gig on Fiverr and you have an order, all you have to do is take the audio or the video file that you want to transcribe and upload it to YouTube. So all you have to do is go to YouTube. And once you go to YouTube, all you have to do is click on upload. You're going to upload the videos, and you're going to enable subtitles. So you're going to click on upload, choose the video or the audio file that you want to be transcribed, and upload it to YouTube. And the next thing you're going to do is that you're going to enable subtitles on your video. You can search on YouTube how to enable subtitles. It's very easy to enable subtitles. So once you enable subtitles, guys, it's going to help you to easily transcribe the video easily. So for example, let me show you guys one of the videos on YouTube and how you can easily transcribe. So for example, let me search for Drell Jones. So if I search on his channel, and if I click on the video, if I click on this video, all you have to do is copy the URL of the video. So once you upload this video to YouTube, all you have to do is copy the URL of the video. Next, you're going to go to a website. You're going to go to this website called contentbear.co. So this is going to help you to easily transcribe this audio or these video files very easily. So all you have to do is input the URL of the video and click on fetch, and you are going to easily transcribe this video very easily. So you can see, guys, this is the video that's already been transcribed. So this is a transcript of this particular video that I've transcribed in less than 10 seconds. And all you have to do is click on copy to clipboard, and you can put this in a Word file, and you can send it. You can format this, put in a Word file, and send it to your clients on Fiverr. And you can do this with longer videos as well. So if you want to charge, for example, $20 plus for 1 hour video, is very easy, as well. So let me search for a video that is over 1 hour long. Let me just take any of these videos, guys. So let me take this video. So all you have to do is upload these videos to YouTube, enable subtitles, then copy the URL of the video and go back to this website, contentsbear.co, paste the URL of the video, click on fetch, and it's going to transcribe this video. You're going to find the transcript of this video easily, and all you have to do is send it to your client. So you can see, guys, this is the 1 hour video has already been transcribed in less than 10 seconds, and all you have to do is click on copy to clipboard, and you're going to send it to your clients, and you're going to make money easily with this. So let me show you guys the 10th method, guys. So the 10th method that you can use is selling PLR products on Fiverr. So I'm going to show you guys how to get these PLR products for free. So let me go to Fiverr and let me show you guys people that are selling this service on Fiverr. So I search for PLR, you're going to see a lot of people that are providing PLR products on Fiverr. So for example, let me click on this profile. So you can see that this person is providing only PLR products. So all the gigs that is on this profile is only PLR products, and this person is making a lot of money from selling PLR products, and you can start selling these PLR products as well. So the website I'm going to show you guys to get these PLR products that you can start reselling on Fiverr for free is Resell Rights Weekly. So this is the website, guys, resellrightsweekly.com. It's going to give you a lot of free products that you can use to start selling on Fiverr for free, and these are PLR products, which means that you have the rights to resell these products. So all you have to do is sign up for a free account. You don't have to pay any money to get started with this. All you have to do is click on free member downloads. It's going to give you a lot of PLR products that you can download. For example, let me click on September. So these are PLR products that you can download and start selling on Fiverr and start making some extra money on Fiverr with these methods, guys. So these are more products. All you have to do is click on download. You can sell them on Fiverr. And the next website that I'm going to show you guys that you can get some free PLR products to resell is this website. This website called Free PLR Downloads. So it's freeplrdownloads.com, and you can get a lot of free PLR ebooks, free PLR videos, and free PLR articles that you can download on this website. So this website is absolutely free. So you can search, for example, by category, free PLR videos, even free PLR software. If I click on free PLR articles, I'm going to find a lot of articles that I can download and resell on Fiverr, guys. So you can see a lot of gigs that are providing this simple service on Fiverr, and all you have to do is you're going to provide this simple service as well on Fiverr, and you're going to make some extra money with it. So all you have to do, guys, is you're going to use this method. You're going to create 1 gig on background removal. Next, you're going to create a 2nd gig on transcription services. Then you can also create a gig on selling PLR products, and you're going to be getting some extra money with this. So Fiverr is a website that is getting a lot of free traffic, and one of the main advantage of Fiverr is that you don't have to pay for traffic to get started. So the traffic from this website is completely free. As you can see, guys, the traffic is rising. That's up to 36 million visitors per month on this website. The best part of it is that it is free, and all you have to do is provide these services on Fiverr, and you can start making some money, guys. All you have to do is do the work up front. So you have to do the work up front by setting up the gigs, and soon you can start getting some sales on Fiverr, and you can make some extra money on the side, guys. Okay, guys, this is another website that you can use as well. So you can create these gigs, and you can go to this website, people per hour. You're going to put this job as background removal. You're going to create this gig for background removal. Next, you're going to create the 2nd gig for transcription service, and you're going to sell PLR products as well on this website. So this is going to help you to get more traffic, and you have more possibilities of making more sales with this method. So that's the method I wanted to share with you guys that you can use to start making some extra money while you're making money on Clickbank, and that money can help you to buy your tools like ClickFunnels, courses, and also use on paid ads. So that's it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.